Hey everyone, and welcome to Oiltober week 3. In this painting challenge, I make an oil painting every single day for the month of October, and I give myself no more than 2 hours to complete each painting. Every one of these paintings measures 4 by 6 inches, and I'm painting on the Strathmore 400 series oil painting paper cut up to the size I need. The medium I've used the most so far has been the solvent-free gel by Gamblin, which I love, and it's worked really well for me for this challenge. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to see more of these paintings as I finish them. Day 15, I decided to paint this darker scene of a house during the evening. What I love about this challenge is that it's teaching me so many new things, and I'm discovering things about myself as an artist as well. For example, I get to practice different skies, cloud formations, different times of day, and throughout this challenge I discovered that I really enjoy painting evening scenes. Sometime after the sun has set but it's not fully dark out yet, and I love painting lights with much lighter warm colors against all the darker cool tones. This reference came from Pixabay. Day 16, I decided to paint a flower on one of my African violets. This particular African violet was grown from a leaf. It was a propagated plant, and the leaf was flown in from a Ukrainian nursery and then was grown into a plant here in my studio. This particular African violet is called Голубой туман in Russian, and that translates to blue mist or blue fog. And it's pretty rare to find this flower in the United States. It's definitely possible, but it's hard to find. So I'm super excited to have this flower growing in my studio because I couldn't find it anywhere locally. It's like unheard of. And now it's currently in its second bloom. Day 17, I painted the beach again. So far, I've painted water almost every week. Actually, yeah, every week into this challenge, I made at least one painting involving water. It's kind of like I can't escape painting water. I end up always going back to that, but it's so versatile and beautiful. There's so much you can do, and we do have beautiful local beaches here where I live in Florida. And this reference came from my Patreon. I've posted many beach images on there for you to choose from and paint if you want to. Day 18, I painted one of my succulent plants. This one was also grown from a single leaf that I got on Etsy a while ago, and now he's his own plant. He's outgrown the pot. I really need to put him in a bigger pot, but this plant is so adorable, and I really wanted to paint him. I actually did a study of this exact succulent a few months ago in an episode of Sketchbook Sunday, but now it's back immortalized in one of my Oiltober paintings as well. Day 19, I painted the view as a passenger in my husband's vehicle. We were driving home one morning from getting breakfast downtown, and I was just snapping pictures along the way, hoping I would end up with something I could use as a reference, and I did. This isn't exactly what I expected, but for some reason I felt compelled to paint this image. I don't know why I took the picture. I just kind of followed my instincts. And yeah, this is another thing I'm finding with this challenge, is that I just end up painting stuff I don't really expect to enjoy painting or never would have painted outside of this challenge for my larger canvases. Most of these paintings were not planned ahead of time. They're things I often decide the day I paint them, and at the earliest the night before. Day 20 is when I started to mess up a little. I was quite overwhelmed with my other work and also doing stuff around the house. So I actually finished this painting the next day, and I started it the next day. So it's kind of day 21, but I'm still calling it day 20 because it's the 20th painting. And yeah, I messed up. I'm not a perfect painting robot. I am human. There are challenges along the way. Life gets in the way. And this, was the week where I kind of slipped up a little, but that's fine. I did catch up and get back on track. And I'm painting the desert because we've been watching Breaking Bad, and it was reminding me of my time living in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I loved the desert and the mountains, and I really wanted to paint them. And again, same thing happened with day 21. I ended up finishing the painting the next day, and I don't know what happened to the rest of this painting footage. I thought I filmed the entire thing, but all I have is the end of it, so I apologize, but that's what happened. I did actually complete day 22 on time, and same thing with day 23, which was today, I believe. No, is today day 23? Is 24? No, today's day 24. Okay, yeah. So I completed day 22, 23, and 24 on time. They're on my Instagram if you'd like to see. So I am back on track. I just had a slip up with 2 days this week, and I was really overwhelmed. So whatever, it happens, but we're back on track. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support and encouragement along this challenge. Here are all the paintings I have so far as of today. As of right now, while I record this, there are 7 paintings left. Yeah, I can't believe it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button because it really helps my channel. It tells the YouTube algorithm to share my channel and my art with more people. So yeah, I hope to see you in my next video, and I'm wishing you a beautiful and inspiring day. Bye everyone.